welcome to Spoonful Easy Cooking. Today I'm very excited to show you a recipe of an egg which my husband introduced me, and it's a street Mumbai food. So the egg lovers, you have a very nice and yummy rich recipe for you today from me. The name of the recipe is little funny, but it's really yummy and it's my family's favorite egg preparation. What is it? Any guesses? My husband must have already guessed it. It is anda gotala. Isn't it very funny? Anda gotala. So without much delay, I'll show you how to make anda gotala. Lot of ingredients are there, but it's very easy to prepare. So I'll show you immediately how to prepare. I have kept one kadai here. It's already heated up. So I am putting 2 tablespoons of oil to it. First I add oil, and we are going to top up with a lot of butter and other things. Rich item, but it's very tasty. Once in a while, definitely you can try this recipe at home. This is a street food, typical street food of Mumbai. They have this anda gotala along with buttered pav. Pav, that is a kind of bread, if people who don't know what is pav. Here is ginger garlic paste I have made and kept. This is made out of 4 garlic cloves and a half inch of ginger. All the ingredients I would be mentioning in the description box. To this we add green chilli finely chopped. Here I have taken 2 green chilli and 2 medium sized onion finely chopped. If you all have at home an iron kadai, it will taste much better. Here I have taken a Hindallium one, but iron kadai will taste really tasty for this recipe. Do try it in iron, griddle or any kadai if you have. Let's saute this until the onion roast well. Here is the onion. Let us. To this we add little of salt so that the onions roast little quicker. And when the onions are little light pink or the translucent stage, let's add the capsicum to it. Capsicum gives a great flavor to the anda gotala. It really tastes good. I like it this way. There are different preparations, but the typical street anda gotala is this style. So what I used to do when we used to go for midnight snacks in the streets of Mumbai, especially Villaparle area, those who know Mumbai, they make this amazing anda gotala and all across the street. It smells so good. So I used to sit and watch how they prepare and what are the ingredients which goes. Then I started making at home. My husband is in love with this dish. So he told me just feature this in Spoonful. So let the viewers also know a new dish. So let this get roasted well. Then we add tomatoes. Yes. I stirred it for almost 2 to 3 minutes. Now let's add the chopped tomatoes. Here are the 2 chopped tomatoes. Finely chopped. This is how the street people making. So I am also getting that josh, with lot of sound and effects. So my daughter was laughing here the way I am preparing anda gotala for them. So after adding the tomatoes, just keep the flame on sim because we are going to add the masalas to it. Here goes little of turmeric. Everything is little. Turmeric is very less. We add red chili powder as per your spice level. Here I am putting almost 2 teaspoons because I have taken here 5 boiled eggs. So I am making it for 6 people. Here we go, little coriander, that is less than half teaspoon. And one main ingredient you should not miss to add, which I don't have at present, is pav bhaji masala. If you have pav bhaji masala at home, When you prepare anda gotala for the first time, definitely buy pav bhaji masala and add 2 teaspoons to it. For 6 eggs, you add 2 teaspoons of pav bhaji masala at this stage. Okay, don't forget it. Instead, I am adding little of garam masala. If you have pav bhaji masala, you don't have to add garam masala. I have added 1 teaspoon of garam masala. And nicely stir like the street people or the street vendors do, nicely so that it is roasted very well. Now we keep the flame on medium and let the raw smell of this masala get over. So this is almost roasted well. To this I add finely chopped coriander leaf. Yes, this aroma coming already. Yes. So here is one very good ingredient which I am going to put is the butter. Here I am putting a good amount of butter. Yes. When this butter is going to melt, what we are going to add is an egg to it. This is not a boiled egg. This is a raw egg. Here we will open the egg to this butter and going to give a good stir so that the whole egg is mixed with the mixture. What we are going to add is the main ingredient. We have to check the salt at this point. We had put little salt initially to roast the onion. Now we need to add little more salt. Adjust the salt accordingly at this stage. Yes. Yes, stir well. Keep the flame on low only when you add this egg. Now what we are going to do is grate the boiled egg to it.
Mama, I can't wait to have anda gotala.
Yes, these are my anda gotala is the favorite among all of you. I know that, kids. Here we are going to add. Normally what street people do is they cut it into cubes, and I have tried both versions, but my kids like the grated egg, so I add it. Otherwise you can cut it into 4 or 5 pieces and add to this masala. Yes, we have grated all the 5 eggs, and now let's give a good stir very gently. Here we go, all the egg lovers. Do try this at home and do let me know how you like it. My husband is really crazy for egg, so he makes sure to take me to all the egg restaurants, So eventually I have also become like him, likes to eat egg. Here is our anda gotala ready. To this we can add little of chaat masala for a very good flavor. This I have taken chaat. This is optional if you like, but we like the flavor of the chaat masala. We are adding chaat masala and gently give a good stir. Now this is done. We don't have to cook much after the egg is gone into it. This is done, and I am going to serve it in a serving bowl. Now, if you are not very health conscious and you want to give it to your kids, what you can do, you can grate some, switching off the gas, grate some cheese on it. The melting cheese will taste much better. But instead of cheese, I am just going to add some coriander, because during the lockdown, we are all putting on weight and becoming health conscious. So we can just add few grated boiled eggs to it, just to garnish. So this is the anda gotala, dedicated to my hubby. So he is not there with us, but he can make it over there wherever he is. Do try it and do let me know. Check the description box for all the ingredients list and let me know how you like this new dish, anda gotala. Till then, bye bye from Preeti. See you.